a leader in wireless online and smart locking innovation. eSmart Lock. From RFID and PIN codes to smart code and mobile keys. The trusted name chosen by customers in 50 countries worldwide, and the leader in technology and quality for next-generation smart lock systems. Classic, Ultra, Slim, Flex.
Discover the installation process and maintenance guide for eSmart Lock.
eSmart Lock is easy to install on any door, wood, glass, or metal, regardless of material or thickness. Its simple fastening design makes eSmart Lock quick to install and replace, while a high-strength polycarbonate metal housing and aluminum latch ensure lasting durability. A rubber gasket and spillway design keep the inside dry, so eSmart Lock works reliably even in humid environments. Be sure to maintain a 2 mm gap after installation. This clearance is essential for smooth latch operation. All eSmart Lock models support both battery-powered and wired power options. For recommended alkaline batteries, please refer to the manual. eSmart Lock offers various maintenance features through system cards and an admin mobile app. You can easily use features like lock setup, information lookup, MasterCard, battery check, and firmware updates. Featuring sustainable design, global certifications, and a scalable system architecture.
The all-in-one global standard smart lock, eSmart Lock, is the choice in strengthening your business advantage.
eSmart Lock, the specialist in wireless online smart locking solutions.